Hi, I'm Emma Andrews. In this video, I'm gonna demonstrate how to use a converter with my fountain pen. Here is the Sailor converter, just a little bit plastic, a little bit of metal, and then a screw-style converter. This is my Parker black ink. Installing the converter is very simple. You just unscrew the pen and then pull out the cartridge. You wanna just push this in pretty firmly. It's really nothing to break here. Try not to jam it in there too hard. Now I'm gonna get to the ink. I'm gonna tip this, push the piston all the way down, pick the piston all the way up. Get a pretty good draw. Usually you're gonna wanna do it again. Now is the point where things can get a little messy and you're gonna wanna have a paper towel or something here. I have some toilet paper ready for just this moment. You see, I got some ink on there. I'm gonna give it a wipe down, being careful not to smear too much. And then screw back in. That's it. I'm gonna test out. Thanks for watching. Take care. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!